Hi and welcome to ACES Centre. This is the Unit of Competency FNS FPLN 605B. How to present and negotiate complex and/or innovative financial plans to the client. If you require any more information on studying with ACES Centre, please look at our website www.acescentre.com.au. This unit of competency will address the following elements: create rapport with the client, present financial plans to the client, negotiate effectively, complete and maintain necessary documentation. Element 1. Create rapport with the client. This will assess the following performance criteria. Disclosure of capacity to client is consistent with industry requirements and organisation guidelines. Client concerns, if any, are identified and responded to appropriately. High-level active listening skills are demonstrated in dealings with clients. Services explained to client are given orally and in writing in a clear and unambiguous way, avoiding jargon and in a language appropriate to the receiver. Client is assisted to make informed choices using the relevant documentation. Client's needs and objectives are addressed in a manner consistent with client's level of financial understanding. Element 2. Present financial plan to the client. This will assess the following performance criteria. Strategies and recommendations in the financial plan are explained and discussed with the client in a clear and unambiguous way. The financial plan document is prepared, explained, and discussed with the client in a clear and unambiguous way. The client is guided through the assumptions used in formulating the plan and the degree to which variations in the assumptions may impact on expected outcomes is discussed. The impact of the recommendations is clearly and comprehensively discussed with the client, including advantages, risks, and any disadvantages of particular proposals. The implementation actions required by the client are clearly explained and written agreement of the actions is obtained. Fees, charges and commissions are clearly explained to the client. Any commercial relationship of the representative and his or her organisation to products and/or services mentioned in the plan are disclosed to the client. The advisor identifies and addresses issues that in his or her professional judgment may require further consideration or consultation with other financial services professionals. Copies of the research and other documentation are provided to the client if requested. Confirmation is sought from client that they understand the recommendations presented. Product knowledge appropriate for the service or advice offered is demonstrated in discussion with the client. After sales service to be provided is clearly defined and is communicated to the client. Element 3. Negotiate effectively. This will assess the following performance criteria. Clients are assisted to make appropriate decisions regarding solutions to their needs and objectives. Alternatives to recommendations are presented to the client when requested. Limits imposed by regulatory requirements or organisation guidelines are observed. Restraint and composure are exercised when dealing with conflict situations involving clients. Communication channels are maintained when dealing with complaints and following complaint handling procedures. Agreement in principle to proceed is obtained from the client. Element 4. Complete and maintain necessary documentation. This will assess the following performance criteria. Financial plan is adjusted according to changes agreed to with client proposal, and other documents are completed and signed off when the plan is agreed between the client and representative. Client records are created or updated. Contract variations are completed if required. Confirmation, including relevant documentation and contract variation, is provided to the client and financial plan implemented. Customer advice is recorded in accordance with current industry documentation requirements. Instructing and/or purchasing documents where required are signed by the client. This unit of competency will require the following knowledge: the financial planning industry, including the terms of the acts and regulations affecting the industry, the role of the financial planning advisor and the financial planning practice, the impact of relevant economic taxation and social security policy on the client's financial planning needs, the impact of relevant estate planning considerations on the client's financial planning needs, investment and savings vehicles, financial markets, asset classes, and investment characteristics, products available in the financial services industry, investment risk factors and relationship to return expectations, relevant industry codes of practice and requirements, requirements related to the disclosure of capacity, the processes of effective communication, principles of effective negotiation, the clarity of oral and written communication. This unit of competency will require the following skills: the ability to perform a completed needs analysis, analytical skills, presentation skills, customer negotiation skills, the ability to analyse information and products to ensure appropriatenesses to client needs, currency and accuracy, interpersonal and communication skills. This is the end of the relevant information of this unit of competency. Again, if you require more information on studying with ACES Centre, please check our website at www.acescentre.com.au. Thank you.